The African Loyalty Program's Market Intelligence Report provides a comprehensive analysis of market opportunities and challenges across multiple sectors and regions in Africa. With over 50 KPIs at the country and regional level, this report offers a detailed understanding of loyalty market dynamics, including market size forecasts, growth trends, and competitive landscapes. The Asia-Pacific region presents a highly fragmented yet competitive landscape, driven by super apps, fintech firms, and e-commerce platforms. While coalition programs remain limited, mobile-first, AI-driven, and digital payment-linked loyalty programs are expanding rapidly. Over the next 2 to 4 years, businesses integrating AI-powered insights, digital payment incentives, and sustainability-focused models will gain a competitive edge in this evolving market. Loyalty programs in Africa are being shaped by digital and mobile-first strategies, catering to the region's unique economic and technological landscape. Mobile-based rewards, cashback incentives, gamification, and financial inclusion initiatives drive customer engagement, while ESG considerations and blockchain innovations are emerging as future trends. The continued expansion of mobile money and e-commerce will further enhance the role of loyalty programs, creating more integrated and accessible reward ecosystems across Africa. Competitive intensity and market structure, high competition driven by e-commerce giants, super apps, and digital payments. APAC's loyalty market is dominated by tech-first ecosystems, where super apps like WeChat, China, Grab, Southeast Asia, and Paytm, India, integrate loyalty rewards with payments, ride-hailing, food delivery, and e-commerce. Meanwhile, e-commerce giants such as JD Plus, China, Shopee Coins, Southeast Asia, and Amazon Prime, India, are increasing their competition with subscription-based and cashback-driven loyalty programs. Retail and banking loyalty programs competing with digital native rewards. While traditional and retail-driven loyalty programs still exist, fintech firms, BNPL providers, and mobile-first reward platforms are gaining ground. In Australia, Woolworths Everyday Rewards and Coles Flybuys dominate retail loyalty, while Japan's Rakuten Super Points and India's Paytm First integrate financial and shopping rewards into a single ecosystem. Government-backed fintech and digital payment incentives influencing competition. Countries like China, India, and expansion of mobile-driven loyalty programs across Africa. Mobile-based loyalty programs are becoming the dominant model in Africa, replacing traditional paper-based and card-based systems. In Kenya, Safaricom's Bonga Points integrate seamlessly with M-Pesa, allowing users to redeem points for airtime, shopping, and travel. Paga, a leading mobile payment platform in Nigeria, introduces reward-based incentives for frequent transactions. Similarly, in South Africa, Vodacom's Vodabucks rewards customers for using mobile services, aligning with high mobile penetration rates. The high mobile penetration rate across Africa, particularly in Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa, is a key driver. Mobile money platforms like M-Pesa, Airtel Money, and MTN MoMo have made mobile-based rewards programs more accessible. Additionally, the lack of traditional banking infrastructure in some regions has led to the rise of mobile wallets, which now incorporate loyalty features. Mobile-driven loyalty programs will continue to expand, integrating more deeply with digital payments and e-commerce platforms. We expect more partnerships between telecom providers, banks, and retailers to enhance loyalty offerings, making them more personalized and accessible to a wider audience. Growth of cashback and discount-based loyalty programs in retail. Cashback and discount-driven loyalty models are increasingly popular, especially in countries with high economic pressures. In South Africa, Pick n Pay's Smart Shopper program offers discounts and personalized rewards based on spending behavior. In Nigeria, platforms like Jumia Pay provide cashback on purchases, encouraging repeat transactions. Ghanaian fintech startups like Paytoad also introduce cashback rewards to incentivize mobile payment adoption. Rising inflation and economic uncertainty have made cashback-based loyalty programs more attractive to consumers seeking tangible benefits. Additionally, the growing e-commerce ecosystem in Africa, particularly in Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa, encourages online retailers to offer cashback incentives to drive customer retention. More retailers and financial service providers will integrate cashback features into their loyalty programs. As fintech solutions expand, we may see increased collaboration between banks, mobile money providers, and retailers to offer seamless cashback redemption options. Expansion of informal retail loyalty programs in sub-Saharan Africa. Loyalty programs increasingly target informal retail networks, which dominate Africa's consumer landscape. Trade Depot enables small retailers to earn rewards for bulk purchases in Nigeria through its digital platform. In Kenya, Twiga Foods, a B2B supply chain platform, offers incentives to small shop owners who regularly stock their inventory through Twiga. The digitization of informal retail will continue to grow, with loyalty programs critical in improving supply chain efficiency. More fintech and B2B commerce platforms will likely introduce rewards for small retailers, strengthening relationships between suppliers and merchants. Rising adoption of gamification in loyalty programs. Gamification is becoming an increasingly important engagement tool in African loyalty programs. In Nigeria, Paga's loyalty system incorporates game-like elements, such as challenges and milestones, to encourage frequent transactions. In Kenya, Jumia Kenya has introduced gamified loyalty features during promotional periods, like Black Friday, where users unlock rewards based on purchase milestones. The growing smartphone penetration among younger consumers has driven demand for interactive and engaging loyalty experiences. Social media and mobile applications have made it easier for brands to introduce gaming elements to encourage customer participation. Integration of loyalty programs with financial inclusion initiatives. Loyalty programs in Africa are increasingly being linked to financial inclusion efforts. M-Pesa's Bonga Points in Kenya allows unbanked customers to access financial benefits, while in Nigeria, fintech companies like OPay reward users for mobile money transactions. MTN MoMo in Uganda has also integrated loyalty features that reward frequent digital transactions. Africa has one of the highest rates of unbanked populations, and mobile money services have stepped in to bridge this gap. Governments and financial institutions are encouraging digital financial literacy, and loyalty incentives are a powerful tool to promote consistent usage of these services. Increased focus on ESG-driven loyalty programs. African brands are beginning incorporating environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles into their loyalty programs. Pick n Pay's South Africa Smart Shopper program incentivizes customers to choose eco-friendly products. Some airlines and transportation providers, such as Kenya Airways, are exploring carbon offset rewards for eco-conscious travelers. Rising awareness of climate change and government sustainability initiatives are pushing brands to adopt environmentally friendly incentives. Consumers are becoming more conscious of ethical and sustainable purchasing choices.